Merry Christmas!
Hi, welcome to the snag. Tonight we're going down onto Bossington Rough. It's cold, there's not much wind, and it's pretty sloppy, so I figured I'd do this, save slipping over with the camera. Anyway, we're going to get going, get down there, just have a general fish. If something nice pops up, great. If not, we'll just see how many fish we can go for, you know, in the night. So last time we were there we had 11, I think it was. Time before that, between the two of us, it was 16 or something like this. It's always a venue that catches quite well, and you can get a lot of species here. I think the most I've had is about 8 species. We had 7 with Ross and Seb one night, and 5 the time before. So we'll see how many species we can get as well. And with that, let's get to the beach and we'll get fishing. Okay, so rig is first one simple. 5 ounces with a splashdown, running up clear beads. It's a small swivel, but it's stainless steel, £104, no messing about. £60 rig, £60 hook length, which is about 2.5, 3 foot, and it all leads to a couple of UV pink beads as well. Penwood hooks, 3 O's, and that'll be one of the baits tonight. I'll have the whole squid on that. I'll fry that out. So anyway, we'll get that baited up. Okay, so 1 pulley rig, like I say, £60 rig body, £60 snood, Penwood 3 O's, and squid bait. It's just the mantle. I've slightly nipped off the tail as well, so the flow of water can push through, push a bit more scent out there. These are already marinated in my bait juice, so I have got some with me if I need extra tonight, but other than that, shan't be needing it. I didn't get lazy, decided to sort some out. Sometimes it's just getting the time to do everything, isn't it? So, but anyway, water's not quite up to where it should be at the moment, but we're going to get it straight in, no kissing. And for all you ladies, yes, I know I sound just like your husband. Right, so that's one out. Don't have to cast far here at all. Right. Decided on the other one, just going to put half a mantle on it. We'll whip that up and the job's are good. Okay, second rig, Paternoster. It's about 3.5 foot. It's the only time I tend to go longer with these. And a short drop on the lead. So again, 5 ounces, goes for a 3-way swivel, comes out, Penwood hooks again with the pink Lumo beads. We'll give them a good old blast with the UV torch. Not that one. I've got it on me somewhere. Did have. There it is. Yeah, so always useful, especially cod fishing. Give them a good old blast, send them out glowing up. I find that the pink, they tend to get the bass and the cod. The green, they'll get all your shark species, conger. Bass do take the green as well. But and yellow and orange tend to get all the pollock on those. So anyway, that's what I found. People will disagree, but each to their own. It works for me. That's all I'm worried about. Give it a good 20 seconds blast with the UV. That generally is quite sufficient. Another good thing with those beads, you can see where your bait's going. baits are in the water, we're fishing. I just need to tidy up, sort a few camera bits out. We'll sort that out as well. Yeah. Looks like they're cross-cutting. That squid is stinking. That's how I like it. Right, okay. So I haven't even had a chance to change into my gear yet. Mind you, it was a sloppy walk in today. Jeans are absolutely caked in mud and crap. It's a 1.5 mile walk over sort of marshland, salt marsh. Not much fun, but the fishing you can get here has been absolutely outstanding in the past. It was earlier in the year, at the beginning of the, or end of the autumn. Middle of the autumn to end. Like I say, stocked up on a lot of cod there. Now went quiet for a little bit, but I brought a couple of people here. They both had bass. We fished for bass, obviously, fish baits and everything else. Ross got his PB here as well, so that's nice. So here it tends to come in waves, it's really weird. If you start early, you get the rockland. And then it'll move on to like a couple of dogs, maybe some huss. And then later on you get a couple of eels, maybe a few intermittent sort of pout or dogs in between. And then all of a sudden you get a couple of cod, tide water, get a couple of cod, and then it reverses itself. Now something somebody said to me the other day, which a few people have brought up, you don't often see me using worm. That's because I always fish like features, or I fish the baits that are like in the water at the moment. So if it's herring season and I'm fishing minehead, I'm going to use herring baits because primarily that's what everything's going to be feeding on. At the moment it's still squid round here. There is no worm casts or anything out there either. And I have used worm here before, but it's ignored and the squid always took over. So with that, with worm being so expensive, what's the point if it's not catching for you? So that's why. I do use worm, but I use it over worm beds and normally at the time of year when worm is breeding. Or sometimes I'll use it if no other bait is working, just to check and see. Oh, and we're off already. Little dogfish, it just came off at the shoreline. Oh well, looks like easier for me, I guess. Nope. While I was doing the settings on the camera. little strap to start the evening. Let's turn that off. There we go. One little strap, I'll unhook him and then I'll get him back out. It's typical, isn't it? Always kicks off when you're trying to do something. Just sorting out the camera settings and you're not meant to be on the end of that pink lister. So, one little strappy, he can go backy. Alright, see you later, Sid. Sid the snake. Right. Ooh. Okay. Get a fresh bit of squid then. It's not a blank now, that's always good. Okay, back to sorting stuff out. That was a good bite. Rattle, rattle. Off you go. Just the same again, just cut across the mantle, good for a slither of it. And the reason I leave the pennel hook on this for the smaller bait is so if something small does take it and it's on there, I can tell it's just something small and rattly, might just leave it on there, see what else comes along to hit it. Use it like a live bait. Use that to good effect before. And I think the microphone got wet last time. It doesn't seem to be working this time, so I'll have another one for the next session, but it shouldn't be too bad. There's no wind tonight. It's just how clear it'll be. Right, okay. So I'll leave it like that. Although it's only small baits, I'll just wrap the other one round. And if something small takes it, you've still got the upper hook and you have the option of leaving out the small fish as a live bait. I do have live bait and stuff with me, but it's the UV, the beads. Looks like it could be a busy night. Not a bad thing. Oh, bloody tastes good. Yeah. Right, temperature certainly dropped tonight.
You ain't dragging me into your hell. Gonna keep on pushing through. Ain't stop until I'm black and blue. No, I ain't going down till I'm in the ground with a stone right over my head. I'll be fighting till the bitter end. Stop fighting tooth and nail. You ain't dragging me into your hell. Gonna keep on pushing through. Ain't stop until I'm black and blue. No, I ain't going down till I'm in the ground with a small right over my head. I'll be fighting till the bitter end.
Hey. Maybe I can do a bit of paint on it. Type on that. Big old pal. There we go. One little pelty is ready to go back. species of the night. Of course, you've got to have a dogfish because you're fishing the Bristol Channel. No, come on, don't do that. That's my own fault. Sorry, didn't do that. One little hound of the sandy variety, or the Bristol Channel pain in the butt. But anyway, fish nonetheless, third species, happy days. Right, it's only a tiddler. Stunning now, there, actually. Just come off down there. I think it's a dog. Tiny dogfish, like so. Must have been holding on for the bait. Can't catch it if it's not out there, obviously, but let's make sure the bait stays out long enough that something can come and find it. There is. Don't worry about that kick off on the other rod again. Oh, we off with the right one. Do that. Yeah. Right. Hopefully these aren't in for the remainder of the high tide. Do not want that. Male trying to rough me up. Yeah, right, okay. So, fun fact about this venue, it's haunted as fuck. So, I never really used to believe in all that stuff, but seen and heard it myself there, as have other anglers. I'm not one to be sort of like upset by things, but I called it early one night and came back. You'll hear footsteps, talking, sometimes see some black masses. There's been quite a bit of tragedy around here as well, especially during the Second World War with aircraft deaths and whatnot. And enemies have been down here and died. Can't remember how many deaths it was now. It was near 20, I know that much. All in like this small area. So it can get super freaky. Although tonight, nothing, which is good.
I should have turned right. Sometimes I sleep all day, I stay up all night. Sometimes I get in trouble, find my back against a wall. That ain't no big thing, ain't no big thing at all. I've been down this road before, you think I'm gonna let them sneaking out the door. You think I'm down for the count, slip away.
bad night, real cold, still pretty freezing, just about cracked the heater up some. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all have a great Christmas and a great New Year's, and we'll be back out fishing again soon. It won't be, well, I'll have something out after the 28th because I've got a match on 28th, but I'll have something out before New Year hopefully. So with that, if I don't, wish you all the very best, and make some New Year's resolutions. Get on it. See you all in the new year. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Thanks for all the subscribes. Thanks for all the shares and the comments. It's really, really appreciated, and you've made this year worthwhile. So thanks again for being part of the snag fishing, and I'll catch you all soon.
Merry Christmas!